In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. This should work on both iOS and Android, of course. So if you want to create a playlist on your YouTube channel, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube app, of course. Go to your channel on the top right corner. Click on your channel. Then go to the videos tab. And as you can see, there are 3 videos of mine. These videos are all how-to videos. So just click on the 3 dots right beside the video and click on Save to Playlist. And click on Create New Playlist. And because they're all how-to videos, I'm just gonna name the playlist How-to Tutorials, for example, something like that, and make it public, so people from your channel can always go to that playlist and see all your how-to videos, and click on Create. And then for the other 2 videos, click on the 3 dots again and click on Save to Playlist and add to How-to Tutorial and click on Done. And for this one as well. And then to check it out, go to Playlists. And as you can see, your playlist is right there. And all your viewers can always go there and check the playlist out. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.